me dada wo na me ba be bua ese se mra no ene beti
yeah sure
that thing na be dey sir
because nanka na ye kan e kokoko bodo ho asema aba bebrebe e wokago we Joseph Wahinedu owu onyare ye ontu kwa omufie na cantonment no
yes opa onuafo monfa cameras monfre cocoa board estate for na mo na mo konko hwade look 1.3 acre land
yeah
e dai kakra hwe boys quarters ne kakraka oh Joseph Edu ne baria wa be ya MP a wo say ne boy proud yi not in the boys quarters okohwe no maye ho kohwe no maye ho
so na say almost ayi renovation radio be ayi renovation ena ayi miracles abwaje e dey campaign so akokoye renovation won one fie but ayi te cocoa board CEO aranja be otchere Addo I know where he's
what you want fie
yeah otchere fie onye renovation
share the office go what is miracles mu say wa ye hot is Arabia King ayi
yeah
onim
yeah I mean
make cocoa board last Friday Adam me froso Adam say mpese hu CEO lucky no ho no ye meeting timi twen kakra wo bae na me so me de me ba be hwe Arabian King
office
what say oh me ya hwe Edu office na konyo oteso de bibia enu ani o ye nchenyi wi o one office ya the only thing I say ya petition am yanya other stars room
okay
baby ada fifi boafo as a manager the office no ho ana ode aye say omonfa ayisi ho a omo lunch no makokodi ho because it's not good Edu didi won the office the table so
wow
ye go school who didi wo dormitory there na yo say panish
yeah sure
so the only thing and this wa convert sa ayi no to enye say wakwa to da ne table bio eye sa 4 square table ibi ada konya fo si hu
so some of these issues eche yeah mama
Jebby they make can say
ya no sin na time krako
ya me aduma month eye odo love month
yeah
next month Ghana month
yeah
say ye hu ensakraye bia for now ye be your friends say picketing and a vigil Jubilee House ebusa omampanyi say dey na ekoso ye pesi ye
yeah
because na nu ya wo ba ya enkrofo yi aye PDS awiawia container wo habo yisiji de ma akabeda ho a ye be kwa ahokyirem no wan for wan city amra driver for say ye ntua osere ye pa no mfa nso kan ya maye ba so ya anyi pepa antua eni nti de wo boka no mesi kwa ku say nka ho me ma me aduro nya akoti akoma da do ntosi o wa moka ni bi o nenso ko to petrol say wo de kwa ko pumping tomatoes a wo say de bi gu motor bro sa afidie no e de use petrol nto use bi oto 1 liter bi e je no 1 cedi o na o yonko afasika na di wa hwie say te kasa fidie so kasa abebe kura won timi nchibi na bi me ne chama buga ne ya adwen o de akeka koi pa me say afafranto kura abai wo ya adwen won timi nchibi
menu so afafranto you so osunu afafranto de menu
osunu
na de so o ma
abebe kura
me ma you so afafranto
abebe ma bakra anu ma bakra timi yemu bio chese eye ya se enema se ekoso na be se MPP no ho ye ni momo o mo ti se Bob Marley o mo wu so mo ka trema employ enti se uja no ene yenye ni sei o wie ya do okodi tro hwe koku asemu yi se Hopeson engineer anchechere nsemu minister for agric amba ha once nko maka as pendu poto se de o mo nya ahwi o nti yesro mampanyi jo mama aduma ne de wo ye o na wo campaign no ye kai pa se wo gina ba bia de wo kan ya eye de se resetting Ghana agenda no o se corruption na nkofo didi sika wo be ye mba cha no yisiji o ma nkoye special prosecutor go re ni nsem se ye ontua lad bill okay wo ye ba hwia wo diem wo ba ya wo de wakan no atum papa dia na ekoso.
All right.
Miss Row, you didn't have me doing for a chow pa.
Okay.
Yes, Row pa, Yamidimu. Papa, do something. And yes, I ain't your politician, would you be a BM? because baka se mu nyina mo ye pe ade na ese basa nti enimu hwe contaminated fuel onkai uza no kwada oru afikura afred obi moving pina company mo nam so yes corruption no enye moving pina ye hwe mo na Akufo Addo banka ho papa dey
she won ayi information da beto abonten say Ghana ambulance service cast de do asen ya ni ne ye adwuma no amene na mo yini so na me hu say MPP ni and all running 800 and can say 380 ambulance ne di Jáil Mahama no within 1 year was sese we nyina
trotro nko fa bai
ana me say sabi ma we nyina beba because why din look you say omukoko crash spare parts bi spare parts no board den say kan na nkasa
how consider the ambulance ne ba me boy
spare parts no boarding esen kan na nkasa ana spare parts no hwana de bae enya Akufo Addo ba ne say okoko kra de bae why din ana moti hodum enti ebedru ba bi no no mo de sa de no editor look there is no scandal yet so omo try omo create edit to omo create internet no so de edaso ebedru 2028 no no be akobody obi kan and then what you say say na ban ye so when they say it counter it ma contrast en hwe wo mo na ye president che enura na me wo baby ana obi e work to me ana so what ahwe me na the way ana me principle no na ni je ho o suma me asemba kope men kanche president Mahama say sankrofo ye omo bebo man yi wo de opa man nye kwan opa o maka ne nyina dundum wo de omo kokko gunsa wo mu nko a wo mu ye okay o mbesa to abama no
simple
obia asema obi di suma me no so you should know say adwuma wo ye nyina economy ne take yi ne nyina no ne Ghana for de ba bejeje o eye sa oratin no
all right
nti yesrew
that's it. Yes, sir.
Sa campaign MPP for ye. Say go and register. Join us in the Kaiga Hono.
Say Obi Aye.
Kojo Kyeremanteng supposed to be. Anasensu Boakye supposed to be. No mu post to ye no.
Yeah.
Ye ka say MPP go and am for antiase. Omo anga say omo party for no. Chale. Enye izo.
Patrick Boam supposed to be.
Well, no, the comment in here fair. Very encouraging. So on the
I saw one. I said that a few good men within the NPP party.
Share MPP ni here. MPP na you know. Was it when you were enjoying in government? Did you ask anyone to join you?
I
don't imagine. I should join MPP so that when finally I decide to contest parliamentary or presidential primary, you will tell me I'm not parliamentary or presidential material.
I see.
Just say, what asensu Boakye dia omode eba? Was it you think we are living in 1992?
Oh.
Me joining Sankwas for where?
Oh.
Is it by force? To join an opposition party this time? On the me fan say Now, ya no be copy. Who will join MPP? Go and sit down.
MPP for
I'm
now.
Joining the base, Ghana first. Obi say like I go join Okot. MPP for the church. Obi say why you want to
do what?
Opa stobra from Bakope. See. Ahana na me kan.
Yes.
Who the guy that's one. Who you have Makosro.
Like I will join Okot.
As I say, what did you ask no?
When you were writing another letter to the president, MPP the Jimmy for Ajosu.
Oh.
And you make
oh, na say na po de kan ka say nyansani ba ko ne Bawumia.
But yeah.
I can na po ne kan. Na po e na say cabinet wo nyina de no ni nyansa ye Bawumia. 19 people so na join cabinet. Ana Bawumia no ni nyansa so na ejina techima ku testi a.
Mo first year
no. Esi form a obo aben.
Okay, there's another interesting comment. Interesting. Top-down presidential material for how many years left? The organic love didn't cherish. You will struggle to get inorganically when lost. You disrespect. Okay, you don't respect sacrifice and diligence. A case study pa Madagana first. You know who ye. You know who ye.
Ghana first pa na people for na omo peken. Omo got the base you know. Omo ye ka say MPP agu a omo ntiase. Agu.
But they organizing the base. I mean,
the base. What only omo ye? Obi betimi do omo akokot. Akwa si wo.
Say
Mwako Congress, akwa yese mwako ye top bottom.
Yeah.
Elections.
Yeah.
Ye kwako yi Frabera first near yi national region, constituency, electoral area to polling station. Think a polling station a very last.
Yeah, that's true.
And they say, Sabi abu kwako ye die. Moto presidential ye ya afi die. General Secretary at office and ye babe ye from bottom to up. No, sir, no. Nani amudi ka wako ye the nature.
The omo free so samra.
I guess amudi free. My presidential, no my national, no my region. Na basa ba bisi form.
Yeah, sure.
Bawu, essence no more prani dia wie mu ama Bawumia nti no. Omo asosidi.
Oh, but I mean, say elections near fair. Obi ehun say wie mu bi ama.
For changing of that yinu kwa no first wie mu. And what kind of hot mongo na area mu no? What is it?
There's a real process.
A process. And it's there Kwaku Annan na parties in I want to know. Because why you want that you show mu na dey timi biawo. Timi biawo.
Oh, dey falco.
Timi dey falco.
I see.
So, me kata me ko parliamentary for kata manso. Na mi party for ni bi wo da me person me personal. Oh, you want Crophobia Kwaku form aba. No more traba game or honor. Almost me a ho. And your mama mini. Now, perform what is some way in as I almost is summer and this in oh, and I'm so many. I just say your profile your transfer.
Some more goose. Carry my guapo.
Hey,
I see.
Yeah, last unit. The partner from no amount 50 Ghana. Kotuma Akufo Addo. Netuma Ekromuni no. Jáil, ya 39,000 vote plus. Manko Parliament.
39,000.
Okwa Ashanti region, some of them 20,000, 21,000. Maybe
16,000. Maybe
18,000.
And then 39,000 Manko Parliament.
39,800 and something. Manko Parliament. Look, in the history of Punkatamanto, can I say? Primaries.
Yeah.
That time Madam was MPP. Me record solid. Me for free 26,000. Edit 39,000. After me, the next person edit about 24,000.
Wow. Let's say the model. I don't know how now.
Me say, what's I say? Me adenta na me. Me adenta constituency.
Say na Castle bit me akọ.
What's I?
Say na Castle bit me akọ.
There be a one na me was.
Say na kweti baba jama free one ma.
Enye problem. Enti na me free ko kata so about adenta no. Adenta ma ya adwuma ho a bia one pipi na na me adwuma ho. So
also you wish me sin bi o.
What's I?
Oh, you wish me.
What do we now with dress? Say yeah call e hode there e fair weather e enti no.
I see.
Etimi kwa ha.
Yeah. Get to the very first story, the renaming of Kojo Kyeremanteng International Airport back to Accra International Airport. I started causing some kind of incommodity or system why the change of name.
Yeah, Jáil, before then, where the main answer back on. Your best Director General of Police MTTD.
Okay.
Sir, Oma. Ne mena omo kwan so no omo nye proactive kakra,
okay,
especially omo mu ginger traffic light.
Yes,
hwe suban ya bird ya mfa money part once. So na every bi na meet Pastor Mensa Otabe preaching me was say we repeat BB 21 times na ba be yo suban.
So
say ekokoye 5-10 otimi esesa eyeyi be nya ko wo hit 21 times pe.
Na be pa.
Wo gina ho. Ye nam kwan mu assault car surgeon motor fracture no twam say other ones na agree aso amomo no say awo oba no wono wadi mra so card bonuses ya police ni Kwaku detain no what kind of a nation and your brother what kind of police service and your man eti no say nipa no look red is red even nipa ke taba bi Europe Germany o twam crossing na say assault red na wutwam na police nyawo wagu ade odi people dey adade na ye prepare wa mo bafi eti ya transi amasade na koso a ene sei kakitua bi nkaka ebo obi wow nipa na gina red aso ama na gina green so na wo no ba no moto no me hu ne enti a moto fo no pese wo mo kire se wo mo ye superhumans eda obi a wo ye yi asifu se wo mo de eti Ghana Police Service me emre bia na meka me nam fofo ne mo na so man no mu be ye yi a ejina mo amoso eti se traffic light bia ase no at least moto miedu si ho no nipa ni twama mu chesiru na mu nche no
yeah
mu che na first day mo konko loko no eye crime mo prepare no wo kokko to ba ku mienu a odu traffic obeden obegina
yeah that's
adentina chese this kind of impunity ne ya Jáil eti sa nipa no ohritina wo ba musisi a we sorry that fast no ya
for omu ye yesu ka DV na ya no money bre yesu na ba ku ba ya why are you using 2025 DV na am saying that 2025 DV na your no say park where me park where under traffic light na traffic na so green na pavement wo ho o se me full pavement na me park well na so da bia ne yenko yenim me gina nim ho no match because meet me and block akwan no nti de ma me nkom anim aso me du manim a me park ye na waba me park ye me gina ho be 3 minutes police number na me to call ye nti me onu nti me sa so san machi esa ba be fa ho no mo so ohu me say me ne onti me na me cheche ni mu ne nti ya me use DV 2025
wancho
sata no kwa na DV no kwa no munya ka ho asem ne ma yo na 2026 de ne ma yo
okay sir ne de
ne ma yo
2025 no once ya no yearly
yes
eti say around 2026 we now use 2025
that was around January 6th or 7th
well right is our question but the thing is say that 26 they no my into no and one is our make chance 26 they my
that's the police no nim onim no ba be so premier agent
yo eti we there a special appeal to Director General MTTD
you call the renaming of the Kojo International Airport
I think say edini de ahwahwache akwala obi a kotoka
was it necessary
say you rename
yes
necessary
okay
necessary in the sense say say you correct miama bi so on that no
yeah
aha we ya no be say say omo ayeku ani ye dia ani say jeje nso yeku difference kotoka yeku na obaye no wo mu as a military person
okay
ono so yetu no
yeah
so on that no Lawrence yeku as a military person what is one ono asa agree ano wo ye ya ye call democratic dispensation emo be contest election e win ye the president for 8 years in the democratic rule eti ono no de no ye bia ontimi mfa nkototo enkroma de no but de medane say ya nkwa nkofa din say ye di din we na ekwakoto so na akwako generate any controversy ye say ade no Ghana capital town ye friend Accra nti aeroplane no ba ya Accra na oba nti Accra International Airport simple
yeah
enu adam ne MPP ni bi ne o fidie bi so no se one de na nka esisenke de tonkroma adam se wo nkrofo we mu wono waja adwene bi sa senke fa tonkroma na nka yo ba tonkrofo no wo bi za omo wo bi za omo en ka chese dede akebe ba okrom ha se no nka de ketwa se that didn't na mo de kwa ko tonkroma be so omo ya yi kra few commentaries bi kra metete Nkrumah was a dictator, or you say, or a whole lot of things. At when did Pablo no Ninja Machino? You trust to take Accra International Airport. Meteor Minister. Just say, Edino Anasisa.
Yeah.
But the country code, everything
is intact.
It's intact. Nanka, can say, shortina, KI.
Yeah.
Say, AI.
Yeah.
Eti, no, keke, but your coda, account, no, ACC. ACC regional home Accra.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Aha. That is a ACC there. Obo Kotoka International Airport, about say ACC aba. No apeke. It is a ACC no hodia. Enya de Kwaku change. Say adesi Kwaku change sa ACC rene. Ade ya de we say oh, and ye betu sika mo go through that system ne kika ho. No. All what will happen is Kotokano will move from there near the Accra. Edward, I think the way enya de say me hwe say adwumre ebia mefa airport or mefa ho a na me hu say ya twro no bawe Accra International Airport me hu anu anafe dem hu say because ade ne de ya nya pass awie ya say ya sesa awie enti eni wo say di 1 week ni asu afi ni etwen so mba besesa say you know mo anya me ankasa betima akoye na me de bill abramo baba be jibisi ade minister say wuti a ene ya so mo sesa ye dia ma Ghana airport for no o mo sesa no
the airport one that's you one is you
lady na Akufo Addo de
no one that's you
hey so we mo see apamo mo microphone na anzo bi hihye ho
sure
bebre hihye ho no e dia de e to de dey I think say eno ano no me jitu mu say ya sesa necessary so it say nkwala na o mo ba say no o mo ti Accra International Airport anya fi no obi be bisa question obi kra bi na Kotoka ase kire sen wo ye hwan obi kra bi gra nkwala ni bi gra ho mo ni mu say nipa mpodi
and of course the history now is distorted. Ghana history there wodim well say your history no wodim say apia me nka tworo book bi river industry wokwa page 256 or so o kasafa ala ho extensive any ade wokọ Legon library sisi a na kokwohwa enye original book no ho oh really
me na me ka tworo enkrofobia tima akọ tutu aye no different kra atima to the original one free system no mu ade ni omope
fake one
ade aba me nya the original one no e woda no
hinto
I don't know that's a brother you would do any bubu a obehu sa microphone no would do any bubu pa obehu sa microphone no before we omo so the whole year say omo kwa no mo akọ school o go tima ho omo so ho dey tell me ko hinto ho me hwe me ade na say ana me ko check baako ewo library na me friend no ana me say ade no ade ne wa ha no enye pewu wo se hwe profo na ko to ni nyina de fufura ba begum
wow
any ade sa ana manfo ena mo mo yi nti I think say airport ni change ni there it's a good job
yeah Jamaica airport no one say man say me fa nko baba jama constituency
oh JB airport there say ja yes say Pope or father enter in Mopaye. Ono de why adwuma wo hope me tractor station am wenti. Ika ka was we read the legends here real. Je ba ya cha arefo ejina.
Hopeson Adorye for Bawumia.
Mbacha nka fe na me beda na se. Ubida me ka ho asem last week no wa ma me no.
What wa ma me no. Obi so to be ka ho na.
There be Sufana be my or two and a mommy.
Oh, I see.
And yana na say
that's
Ayofa Madam for now otono MPP headquarters wo final no your friend apia
baby a ode okwa gine ma no eno ne ayi kakra tunya kokudro dia obetwa ja
oh bema be abi ko gina ho na matoma de na me ko
eso no akokra e so obreko
eti fugu Wednesday no baby boda mo kaza mo microphone no so na to fugu mo encourage na man for to do mo so nya sika de bi
I see jebi who call Nsoko Town District Hospital ambulance service na unit no Omo trachia omo
no man blast na adwuma de
oh yeah adwuma town district hospital no omampa jo mama na CEO me manya accident akoda open
oh I see
manya accident wo nsoko sekwa gbanum
when you kase so one kase otiri ho a
we never
one kase otiri ho you are you born
we wa ho de never badada
Odia machi why ye campus wo ye ba mu ma eti no and then me buy am me kika bi kire mo wo se makofati na ba
and then ye be se mu dada
ya nchi omo ye Rahel Owusu a ne Collins ni na nchi omo anopai na me women for no oko Doma West women organizer wo ho Jabia so aje adwa wo hwe den jebi.
Yes sir.
My Sunday birthday be am me say no de Asin Central women organizer me de ma mente ade ketua bi free o last 3 days na yenu apanyi captain ejina agrofo council na de ntia mani abre a me boaboa ma no e wa ndisi mu no afi Ghana fo nyina betimase
dey asem
e bia na agrofo eyi
na agro
enti yanso ye boaboa ma no atudin awake prayer na ye ti no ye say ye bompa ye atai omampai jo mama achi amu achichi akromfo.
That's right.
Enya glow.
Dabi ye de ye awake.
So nanka glow for ye nanka no.
No, ye bompa ye say onya kupon ma oru ajo mama akukuduro no nchi akromfo. Na ye be boy de no Blaster Square.
No kre. Sa o mu prayer topic no.
No kre.
Ami hu ye na no kre.
No kre. Na we Blaster Square ho no. Ye mu bi ye mpene da mo mpa ye no.
Why no? Agrofo no. Ade.
Omo de be ko National Cathedral ho. Omo ko mpa ye no ho. On say ye mpa ye wi a. Wo mpa ye wi a. Say Accra ni bi sakra. Ozunsu ho pa na o ma bo asu. Ensi baby a. Ensi baby. Obi atu amna da ho se wo si nyame aso dan. Umo mpaye ma aso dan no enya adwuma. Obi di sika akwakra koko boto. Enya ho mfaso adi boto a abegu a ye be use for 10 years. Every year so boto na tete.
Nti yenko ya asori wa amna nim.
Mbacho na on ye si nyamete. Baby a captain so asement ko ye no.
Captain Cemetery dey say Kojo. O se akwaje cemetery no. Sadi no mo ansi. Eti cemetery da ho.
O se ye ba ha onka bi. Ye nka bi na o jira che tutu abo ba park so. Eni ti o ba ka ho bi. Ye team ni say awake for corruption. Eti e ba be bompa ya ma onyame ama owurajo ma akukuduro. Amo acheche akromfo okro we mu. Na e be boy de no Independence Square. Awake for we grow. No, that be awake. What? Okay, yeah, pedi. There never we grow. We glow. Okay.
Yes, right.
Adi achicha akromfo. Hwe. Ya nka ne sa nkyere omo okro we mu a. Wonim say. Owura
we pray, we move.
Wo de ebe ye omo okro we mu no. Enya agudie na media. Hwe ya anya ne sa. Omo be frakadam sa de adada nkrofo a ebe wiase no ni asa akofa sasabro nsema be si yesu biem
wanya
ye to abawe bisa kanso makojo
omo koi
ada na se bisa kanso hunya se timi asoro
akwa Bawumia ho
wo krona etimu no yan emabunu na yewo mu no yan ya adwe se yen ya ma emrewa ene nkokora na sabi omo adi nchire a omo ji na ewu no ebe bo oman na bro ye mpene na oni se kromu a ahyawo ni ba bia sakra was makọ ware sofo
example ya hoy
oh adai me ba mi wie
maintain that
kromfo bia sakra was me ye sofo omo a na preachi a omo ka kire se na me ya nroba eno ma dance di omo di kire no me dem me mo bi adi ba omo aneka we si na me no wi we si na me twitro ko gina kwam we si na me yaza ena nyame afre me we si na me bo ahyawo we si na me yesei na kromfo a wabeda ne sofo oji ubotom correction usuru akwase posi MTT dia wakodi hene o twa asase aton usuru hu kura
Hey, that
oh, na say we me a driver, be a taxi driver.
Yeah, why they?
Oh, there be that post MTT di ni ekodi here. O twa asase aton usuru. There be usuru. O di na ekwan wa akwache no. Ba bi akwa report no. Ono ne nkofo ne ho. Oh, enti o twa asase aton usuru. Ebi na agrofo yei. Ma me no uni mi say almost say how the man is be a microfinance you.
Hey, and them into you.
And ye pay baby or just correction or the corner. Now the sponsor MPP so sana and Kofoka.
Me mammy no.
And to
me mammy.
And to Kobe Chim baby or Gigi scanner. Now something to Gigi scan for and show bottom.
What's that?
Gift yourself now again.
Now,
hey, me mammy.
Mammy no try dancing cry.
President now.
Oh, yeah, me mammy.
No.
Me say, what ya me mame?
Enti umame ya dia nka wase.
Me na say na eja mete ne nka che. Me mame, ebno bia che say package a no wo hyehyɛ de bre me. Wo tontade
Mani sika no.
Wo say?
E man collection no jeje.
Ade no onya adwuma.
Adwuma bay.
No e member of council of state o ye tua nika.
You. Enti
oya me mame timi so susu kan ho asem.
Oh, the mechanic credit. Say bi na de tofu gu na bra. The mechanic credit. Na mbom no de e kire ni say. Omunya asase bia moso mpaye because asase bia no etene e wo man wa Chen National Cathedral ho no.
Ho de.
Enti wani ye yia mo me omo ko bom mpaye no wo ha.
Ya de Bible for Israel. Ya abo Israel e be go ho no.
Na pasa Ghana asase su abia national security for tie me omo tie ni yie. Omo ko twa kanko me so me ne me ma ne ko bom mpaye wo ho ba bi kro na e be national security threat. Yentra ho mama me no nsan fa azan frakadam eye agenda mpaibọ no ensan makro we mu we ndc ni ba wo bọ mpaia bo se owura John mama nyame mara kukudo no ncheche akrofo wo kro we mu yo say 8 good years
omo group na take decision men fa ngumi mama le
8 good years. Oh, na say
omo group
na say
and ka se wo mo men ka se wo no ono dia na
o hwe man nka na se no nko de be
na wo come there na me tie
ni o ka do group na wo ade me mama no nko dia
o ka there na me tie
me tie ase e ba to o
bo ka so ne mama nso
o bo na tiro na wo dia so mama ye di na tem se
e bia no ya to program awo
yo
Lisa Beka na onka
enkrofo be brezo mbeba ndom go so send no ya damase ye nyire na ombe ti ayam
I don't have anything against it
me see edom be she omoda se omoko ye mpaibọ no Ghana asase bie no a me ne me team de be bo magina transition national cathedral ho no also me de so mama and was a pia mama atum so also de be council of state member no to mampanyin fo enti afutu ode mo mampanyin no ode akotu amna 90 something million dollars e da no
on there Ken Ofori Atta mun ye ono onka ono onka Ken Ofori Atta
ba cha Ken Ofori Atta ne she nyame bo se okusa so da ma no
ni nua
ede o mampanyin
ni nua
now ni say o man we ye serious country pa anka Akufo Addo yes o da fiase
kazo da prison
wacha kura wacha
former president
wacha
$97 million.
Won say wa she nyame bo say we ni president there we be see aso da ma no na wa she nyame bo a ye de o man ni sika ene ko si nyame aso da ma wo bo she ani ye jaro no tikro we mu
hwe mu yo wan she Ghana fo bo
Dabi wo so do na she nyame bo
yankopo bo enye Ghana
wa she nyame bo se o si aso da ma nyame
ka ti veterasi
anu wafa
wafa ya o mbese veterasi
wafa o man ni sika o man na japade edi akotu amena eja no ho akọ na otu adenti ayese yema oye friends afeni dazi anya sa ma adenti ayese yema ni nyina ba bia mompa ya se National Cathedral ho no wona na utunufo ana utunufo mo okobubu judge for dan
leader ho
wana bompa ya ta na chi organize ma
meteze agogo leader nanga friend isembo leader nanga ho do what campaign for no the wa wo tete ma me no mempe
na say omo ba Akufo take decision
me say see we dey me on na me ni enti dia kan bo mu di ka ho e hwe national security mu tie mi a mu tie ni ye because ma me no yare ni be ye bi okoro we mu
all right
until say obakwa akobọ mpaye no wo
na don't me fan brand show so
emra ba na di share nsem ya yi ba bi asi wo say wona enya mi fi a enyo na eso akobọ mpaye
the work no metiase in the way say eho ehye aban ase aban the background to permission amoa
yeah that's true
na etina na me bisa say heading of the prayer you know mo be ye no
yeah
ye no kra na se obi na hyeda atworo ne sa say ye no kra dia na enka ehu kakra so one de say ye no kra me ye fi ha me frɛ na bisa ne say sa ye no kra se sa na team no ye no kra se sa na ti ana say sa na ti dia na say omo hwɛ ehu asɛm no mo kan ye because look in this country omo mo ase yen sase ni yensu eye president Akufo Addo memfa ko show bia look yet diplomacy and omo ko pass law secretly and law bia ye 24 our economy sa di he the bibia ye bia e ba bonte but sa LI 2462 no nko ade obia ti ho asem until say exposé ba ye say chese omo di e kwaye no mu nyina anse e ba behu say sa law bi e wo ho no mu a Akufo Addo and the call ya just omo yes ade no enye eho ayo yes committee on debe omo hwe ayi so no adom kokko yes ade na chese omo timi pass no just like that and some yi bisa no chese omo di fa mu koye eti se obi wo ho no mo ebeka so no na say yi a ono Akufo Addo dey say you see Ghana has Professor H Prempre the committee constitutional review no omo adwuma no ade baako po mo anya eye meya eye presidential immunity a omo janu wom hye me papa ese se mo yi free ho what you say mo yi sa immunity ni free ho no sa immunity na de share ho no those days na ye transition from ye aba yi no na che say oh ye fa mo yi ho ni pakra na ko ye target kra no
oni ho
e jade tina se etena ho na Akufo Addo na mo obi antimi nkonko prosecute ni ne ye ka ho aye so mo yi free ho no 97 million on one project yashinagu hwe ya be me ma wato aso Danka Williams unim de ofiri mu omo ko US ekoko ye fundraising omo wie ya sofo ko nyina o ma che omo de no ko ne fie anu okoko hosu omo ye lunch ma omo bibia kama omo be bia no omo ya konta na ya hu lunch sika pudro bi e hye ni mu anu say na dey no say oh ye call ye lunch o say what enyam ne na bi host mu enyam ya mi motom sika ye dey ana ba be sha say
omofoka akoye
fa
omofoka from baby omo ya asare no to
on ti ase
ono ani motom sika o dey feed omo no
eno ho anu kasi no o entertain sa corruption ni ade we anu di free mu President Mahamadu directly say a forensic audit on the National Cathedral. Auditor General was here about the Soradia and the demonstration. So what to mean you now? What's sorry for office one? 13 for African Games. President said a forensic audit. We'll hear report on the second week in December. Up to now, there was February. February na ending. I can't know say na miensa. That February ending. What kind of a year yet won ano? Say auditor general don't mean you now. Oh sorry free war. Where we go change this here. Hey, yantiase. Ya mo aduma so a won timi nyere. Won timi nye. Hwe number of a ya direct. Say won kom. And na sofo no bi. Omo mu di sika no mo nya no e kasa. Wo hwe obi ti say Reverend Kusi Boatin. A wo timi nya kukudo. E se gira agiso obi atimi. Sofo machu. I mean, just say say, which country are we? O ma be mu ne no. Say obi a software. That can software graduate and counted the last person on baby idea.
Yeah.
The last person.
Bible school bina me call na me say no more treasures. No matter titi obumu na me say na we so why you me to opposite.
Software
Bible school. Unja mo me to opposite here. Me say Bible school so.
Enti Jabi. Ya besre.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yen hwe sa nwema we ni enye. Ana president Mesrew. Asem no kan. Diachire.
No, but sometimes the president will say, the president will never be brave. Omo mu di n'echi no. Omo say omo set a reminder at the man.
Be babel list ye be brave no ma sene ama ye nua pani Dr. Callisto. No ma sene ya ma chief of staff. Say
just to remind the president.
Remind him.
Because I mean
so say yeah ade never results ma me second week in December. Na second week na ba betwam ama 2 weeks abeda so. Ya senya one full month amana ba betwam ko second month ese ko na say maya it means just one you're competent enough to do the work.
Very worrying say as of now National Cathedral yente ho asem the external forensic audits enyamaye
all African Games
Attorney General
yeah the 50 million kako ye watch
Kennedy GVG say once a man wa kana no tun ko general secretary.
No, but honestly speaking, I mean, the Attorney General, you are sleeping on the job.
Professor Frimpong Boateng report on galamsey. President Mahamadu Bawumia said they should prosecute it. Up to now, very you move your honum and mineya. You bet Danny Adwino. No, some of us, yeah, make sure say. Anti-corruption agenda no ye betima pushi so on that no Jabi me pay bi I will make sure say fair means on that no
sure
na say me dada wo na me ba bebu a ese say mra no ene beti
sure
na tin e be dis
because nanka ne ye kan e kokoko board ho asema aba bebrebe e okaguwe Joseph Boahenedu owu onyare ye ontu kwa
omo fie na cantonment no
yes
opa onua for monfa cameras monfre cocoa board estate for na mo konko hwade look 1.3 acre land dai kakra hwe boys quarters ne kakraka Joseph Edu ne baria wa be ya MP a wo say ne boy proud yi no na te boys quarters okohwe no mayo
so na say almost say renovation Radiabia renovation ena miracles abwaje ye campaign so akokoye renovation won one fie but te cocoa board CEO Radiabia otchere Addo I know where he stays
what fie
one fie renovation
the office what is miracles mo say wa ye hot is Arabia King
yeah
onim
I mean
make cocoa board last Friday Adam me froso Adam sim person who CEO lucky no ye meeting to me trying kakra wo buy na me so media me ba be hwe Arabian king
office
what say you dey hwe edu office na konyo oteso ne bibia eno ani o ye nchenye view one office ya the only thing I say ya petition amianya other stars room
okay
baby ana fifi boafo as a manager the office no ho ana ode ayese omonfa ayisi wa omo lunch no makokodi o because it's not good edu didi won the office ni table so
wow
ye go school who didi wo dormitory there near you say panish
yeah sure
so the only thing and this wa convert sa you to and say wakwakoto da ne table bio sa 4 square table ibi adam konya fo si ho
so some of these issues yeah,
Jabi, there be can say yeah, me aduma month odo love month.
Yeah.
Next month Ghana month. Hwe say ye hu ensakraye bia for now. Ye be the friends say picketing. And a vigil at Jubilee House. Ebusa omampanyi say there na ekoso. Ye pesi ye.
Yeah.
Because now we are buy ya Enkrofo yi aye PDS. Awiawia container wo habo yisiji de ma akabeda ho a ye be kwa ahokyire mu no wan fa wan si di amra driver for say yentua osere ye pa no mfa nso kan ya maye ba so ya anyi pepa antua eni nti do aboka no mesi kwa kusa nka ho me ma me aduro nya akoti akoma dan do ntosi o wa moka ni bi o nenso ko to petrol se wode kwa ko pumping tomatoes a uzi de bigu motobro sa afidie no ede use petrol nto use bi oto 1 liter bi eje no 1 cedi o na oyonko afasika na di wa hwie say te kasa fidie so kasa abebe kura wontimi nchi bi na me ne chama bugani ya adwen o de akeka koi pa me say afafranto kura abai wo ya ahwe wontimi nchi bi
menu so afafranto you so osunu afafranto de menu
osunu
na de so ma
abebe kura
me ma you so afafranto
anoma bakro ntimi nchi bi hwa yemu bi o chese eye ya se enema se koso na be se MPP no ho ye ni momo omo ti se Bob Marley o omo Owusu omo ka treman pro enti se uja no ene yenye ni sei owie ya do okodi tro hwe koku asemu yi se Hopeson anje enginam anchechere nsemu minister for agric amba ha ozen ko maka as pendu poto se de omo nya ahwi o nti yesro mampanyi jo mama aduma de wo ye o na wo campaign no ye kai pa se wo gina ba bi a de wo kan ya eye de se resetting Ghana agenda no o se corruption na nkofo didi sika wo be ye mba cha no yisiji oma nkoye special prosecutor go we ni nsem se so ontua lad bill okay wo ye ba hwa wo diem wo ba ya wo de wa kan wa tum papa dia na ekoso
all right
misrawo ye de nyame din po wa chew pa
okay
yes raw pa nyame din mu papa do something enya sa ye nya politician mu gidie biem bikwa baka sa mu nyina mu ye pe ade na ese basa nti eni mu hwe contaminated fuel onkai uza no kwada owura fikura afred obi moving pina company mu nam so yes corruption no enya moving pina ye hwe mu na Akufo Addo banka ho papa dey
she won ayi information da beto abonten say Ghana ambulance service cast de do asen yani ne ye adwuma no amene na mo yini so na me hu say MPP ni and we all running 800 and can say 380 ambulance ne di Jáil Mahama no within 1 year was sese we nyina
trotro no go fine
and I say Sadio ma we nyina beba because mo ye din look yes say omukoko crash spare parts bi spare parts no board den say kan nankasa
how come say that ambulance ne ba me boy
spare parts no boarding esen kan nankasa ana spare parts no hwana de bae enya Akufo Addo ba ne say okoko kra de bae mo ye din ana moti ho no enti ebedu ba bi no no mo de sade no editor look there is no scandal yet so omo try omo create edit to omo create internet no so there edaso ebedu 2028 no be akwa body obi kan and then what you say say na ban here so when they say it counter it ma contrast in hwe omo na ye president che enra na me wo baby ana obi ewo to me ana so what ahwe me na the way ana be principal no na ni jom o suma me asemba kope men kanche president Mahama say sankrofo ye omo be ball ban wo de opa man nye kwan opa o maka ne nyina dundum wo de omo kokko gunsa wo mu nko a wo mu ye okay o mbesa to abama no
simple
obi asema obi di suma me no so you should know say adwuma wo ye nyina economy ne take yi ni nyina no ne Ghana for de ba be jejew sa oratin no
all right
nti yesro
that's it.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. click on the bell to turn on the notification.